Okay guys, this is lounge chair lawn mowing, take one. This is lounge chair lawn mowing, take two. Lounge chair roller skating, take one. Whoa! It's gonna go. It's steep enough once we get there. It is recording. This is lounge chair racing. Take three. I gotta help you. We gotta get further down to there.
It's not gonna go.
Alright, get it further. I think it further now.
Hey Carl, can I try? Without the video?
Okay, here we go, Christian. Get ready. Here we go. I'm going.
Oh no! Oh, it's a wreck!
This sucks.
Carl, can I try without the video?
Hey, here we go. You can stand there. Lounge chair racing. Take, what is this, 3 or 4? Four. Take 4.
4, yeah, 4.
Here we go.
I think it's 5. Do you think it's 5?
Oh, this thing. I'm so mad at this right now.
How are you gonna fix it?
I'm about ready to go get my dolly. I could do this with a dolly. Started. This is lawnmower surfing, take 2. Here we go. The wheel is really getting messed up.
Oh.
Alright guys, you're good. I think I'm done doing this. We've been having some fun. Had a lot of mess ups. We're just trying to do the lawnmower ride. That didn't work so good. I'll probably do it better though, and I'll get it right. Eventually we'll get that. But this worked, except for our right front wheel on this dolly thingy is messing up. So if I fix that, then we might be good, you know? But I'd say this was pretty much a success. So yeah, that was fun. Alright guys, I got more videos to make, and get ready. We're doing a surprise giveaway today, and you better have your alerts on for the channel, because it's happening really soon, guys. Alright, peace out. Alright. Oh yeah, I didn't think we could get all this on there. Okay, well that was fun. Okay, you can set it. What's up, y'all? Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I really enjoyed making it. We had some fun today. Lots of fails, but we succeeded at the end there, so that's all that matters, man. Alright guys, put a like on the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see y'all later. Peace out.